On April 19, 2026, New Zealand found itself under the grip of extreme weather following the tropical system, Cyclone Vanu, which brought prolonged heavy rainfall and destabilized conditions across the country, especially in the capital Wellington and in areas such as Lower Hutt, Newtown, Island Bay, Kingston, Petone, and the coastal zone of Lyle Bay, where rapid flash floods developed within a short time. Streets filled with water up to and above wheel level. Vehicles became partially submerged, and in some cases were shifted by the force of the water entered residential homes and commercial buildings, flooding ground floors. Emergency services received hundreds of calls and operated under high alert. Roads were closed. Power outages were reported in several areas. In the Wellington region, localized landslides occurred due to critically saturated soil. Parts of infrastructure were damaged. Transport movement was disrupted. Residents were urged to stay in safe locations. Along the coast, strong waves and wind intensified the situation. Meteorologists emphasized that the ground was already fully saturated after the cyclone, so even short bursts of rain triggered immediate and dangerous flooding. Such weather anomalies are becoming more frequent and intense, creating new risks for cities and infrastructure. And if you want to stay updated with real and breaking events from around the world, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Your engagement keeps you connected to what matters most.